7 raised to 6n minus 6 raised to 6n, where n is an integer greater than 0, is divisible by. Now, let's assume that n is equal to 1. So therefore, we have 7 raised to 6 minus 6 raised to 6. Now, we can write this down as 7 raised to 3 whole square minus 6 raised to 3 whole square. So this is like a square minus b square. So therefore, we can factorize it as 7 raised to 3 plus 6 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3 minus 6 raised to 3. So 7 raised to 3 is 343. 6 raised to 3 is 216. So 343 minus 216. So the addition comes out to be 559 and 127. So we can verify that this 7 raised to 6 minus 6 raised to 6 is divisible by 127 and 559. Now, we can factorize 7 raised to 3 plus 6 raised to 3 further as 7 plus 6 into 7 square plus 6 square minus 7 into 6. So we can see from here that 7 cube plus 6 cube, this has one of the factors as 13 as well. So 13 is a factor of 7 cube plus 6 cube, which in turn is a factor of 7 raised to 6 minus 6 raised to 6. So we can say that 13 is also a factor of 7 raised to 6 minus 6 raised to 6. So therefore, we can say that all the given options are factors of 7 raised to 6n minus 6 raised to 6n.